Hello, my name is Julie, and you know just how I do. I'm a simple miracle worker, and my favorite color is blue. I am part of a special team, a team that can do anything. We're the ones that they call famous. There's a lot that we will bring.
Hello, my name is Paul, and I agree with my friend. We are strong and we are powerful. The fun should never end. If you really need our help, please don't hesitate to call. We are always by your side.
All for one and one for all. Yes.
Gee, I'm bored.
How dare you misbehave at the library? Set the place on fire.
How dare you change a movie rating to R?
COB White in the house.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Welcome to a world where we all live in peace. When anything goes wrong, just put your mind at ease. With Steven,
Susan,
Paul,
Julie,
Allison,
and Kate, we have nothing to fear because we're on goanimate.
we've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We may not be here forever, but our legacy remains. When the time for us has come, we will all enter our fate. We have nothing to fear because we're on goanimate.
yeah.
Hey guys, my name is Dave, and I'm feeling very brave. And you have no idea how many people we have saved. If it weren't for any of us, we would have left thousands dead. So there's no need to hesitate. Please get that out of your head.
Yes, hi, my name is Allison, and I'm always there for you. Just look for us on YouTube. We'll be more than happy to make your day the very best. Make your life worth living. We will give you anything, because we're all about giving.
I would like it here and there. I would like it everywhere. We are worth your precious time, and you know we really care. There's a whole world of people waiting for our lovely service, so remember to contact us if you ever feel nervous.
Yeah.
Welcome to a world where we all live in peace. When anything goes wrong, just put your mind at ease. With Steven,
Susan,
Paul,
Julie,
Allison,
And Kate, we have nothing to fear because we're on goanimate.
we've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We may not be here forever, but our legacy remains. When the time for us has come, we will all enter our fate. We have nothing to fear because we're on goanimate.
yeah.
Gee, I'm bored.
How dare you misbehave at the library? Set the place on fire.
how dare you change a movie rating to R?
COB White in the house.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Welcome to a world where we all live in peace. When anything goes wrong, just put your mind at ease. With Steven,
Susan,
Paul,
Julie,
Allison,
And Kate, we have nothing to fear because we're on goanimate.
we've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We may not be here forever, but our legacy remains. When the time for us has come, we will all enter our fate. We have nothing to fear because we're on goanimate.
yeah.
welcome to a world where we all live in peace. When anything goes wrong, just put your mind at ease. With Steven, Susan, Paul, Julie, Allison, and Kate, we have nothing to fear because we're on goanimate. We've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We may not be here forever, but our legacy remains. When the time for us has come, we will all enter our fate. We have nothing to fear because we're on goanimate. Yeah!
We've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We've got nothing to lose and everything to gain. We may not be here forever, but our legacy remains. When the time for us has come, we will all enter our fate. We have nothing to fear because we're on goanimate.